Hello and welcome back to GeoGarden's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be building myself a small compost bin that I've kind of always wanted to try doing. I've done bigger scale compost before. This one's going to be a little bit different, smaller. I'm going to be using a 10-gallon bin that I found by the dumpster that somebody was just throwing out, and as soon as I seen that, I was like, okay, I'm going to be grabbing that to do a compost bin. It's going to be small, but I'm planning on doing it like a fast composting bin so I can use it for like top dressing and stuff, because basically I'm going to be breaking everything down as small as I can already. Like all the kitchen scraps I'm going to be like chopping up, even some of it blending up. And for the brown, the carbon source, I'm just going to be using, basically I can't get like leaves right now, so I'm going to be using cardboard and probably some paper, and I'm going to be shredding that up basically by hand. So I mean, everything's going to be broken down for the most part as for small wise, and then basically I'm hoping within like 6 to 8 weeks I should already have compost ready. So anyways, I'm just going to kind of go through what I did and how I did to get my bin going. Okay, so here's my bin I found. Came with a lid even. So all I'm going to do right now is just going to start poking some holes. Okay, so I went around the top and I put holes on the highest point on the top, because I didn't want holes in the lowest part of the lid, because I didn't want rain to pool up and then go inside. Like there's obviously going to be a little bit of rain going in there, but that's okay, because I didn't want it to be so saturated that I'm going to have holes in the bottom too, but just for the top I just didn't want holes in the very low part of the lid. So I'm doing 1/4 inch holes all the way around. Did it on the bottom and on the side on the bottom, and I'm going to be doing more just above these ones on the side. Alrighty, now we're outside. Now I got the holes in there. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm probably going to end up putting some more holes in there, but for now it's good enough. I'm going to start putting the first layer in. Good job. Okay, so I'm just going with sticks, pine cones. I'm just getting anything that I can get my hands on. This is just the bottom layer. This is just going to help with the drainage. Okay, now basically I'm just going to start doing the, what is it called, the earth lasagna, where you just kind of layer everything in. So I'm gonna start with some soil. Now this soil doesn't have any nutrients or any kind of stuff like that in this. This is just plain soil. So this is a good starter for me anyway, to help speed up the process of composting. So I'm gonna put a little bit of dirt in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some brown, the carbon source in, so like leaves or newspaper or cardboard or grass clippings or whatever is going to be your carbon source. Mine is just going to be paper and cardboard for right now. And then I'm going to layer a little bit of dirt on top of that. Go back with the green, which is your nitrogen, food scraps or coffee grounds. Try not to put any dairy or meat or anything like that in there, or cheese. And then back to some more dirt, and then go back to your brown, and then back to green, and then just basically just keep on layering it up. And everything I'm putting in is already, like I said, chopped up or shredded up, even blended up. Some of the stuff is blended up. Like I even have blended up eggshells and dried out banana peels. That's what that little white powdery stuff is there. I blended that right up to almost like a powder. So that's going to take like no time to, break down. So basically a compost needs a few things in order for it to work. It needs air, water, heat to break everything down that you put in there. So now you don't want this oversaturating. You want it basically like a wrung out wet sponge. I'm going to be layering this probably until it gets to the top, but I'm also going to be stirring it probably every 3 to 4 weeks, just to, maybe even sooner, maybe even every couple weeks I will be stirring it up just to help it. And yeah, and that's basically it. Everything was free. The bin and everything inside of it was free. A small 10-gallon compost that anyone can do. Even my kids enjoyed helping me rip up all the paper because they like ripping up stuff. But anyways, if you really enjoyed this video or if you got something out of it, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.